Holy file corruption! If you've been kicked out of your deck, received error messages, or experienced animation or transition lags in PowerPoint, then you know what I'm talking about. Here are some steps that will keep your deck from getting corrupted. Tip 5. Even short video files can be enormous and hinder deck functionality. If you must embed your videos, add them last. Otherwise, insert videos as links until you're ready to present. Tip 4. If you need to add slides from other decks, paste them in using the destination theme. When you paste, keeping source formatting, you're bringing over an entire new slide master. You can compress your large images and videos right in PowerPoint, or you can use external compression software. Use scalable vector graphics wherever you can, especially for icons. They're typically smaller than pings, and they're almost always editable, which will make your file look cohesive. Your best bet is to start clean in a new deck. Better to insert new slides, especially your cover and chapter dividers, from scratch.